This video is useful for new users to familiarize themselves with the basic menus of the CYANVision. You can find 6 menus starting from the main menu. You have Perform Tests, Results, Maintenance, Parameters, Options, and About. In the Perform Test menu, you can start tests, either by pressing the Patient Routine or the Quick Start button. Patient Routine is a convenient feature where you can enter a patient work list for the working day. You start with the patient's personal data, add information which is important for the patient's treatment, and their required tests. This allows a quick and simple workflow, reducing errors by adding patient information later on. Quick Start means you select the required tests and immediately launch measurements. The Results menu allows you to view, print, or delete more than 100,000 samples, quality control, and calibration results. A new feature allows to generate patient reports which include the test results of a certain patient performed on a specific date. The patient data is summarized on one printout. This facilitates comparing test results of one patient between due dates. It allows to track the evolution of disease, to easily monitor the effect of therapy in time, and identify irregularities that may need further investigation. The Management submenu is useful to make a backup of measurement results or a backup of the full device, to import data from a USB to the instrument, or to delete all the results at once from the memory. Keeping the device in good working condition requires regular follow-up of maintenance. You find a list of all maintenance actions with the current status in the General Overview submenu. If all maintenance actions have been performed, Valid will be shown. Advised or Required means a maintenance action should soon be performed. In the AD Auto 0 submenu, you find the procedure to initialize the optical system to be performed at the beginning of the working day. And the option Pump Calibration enables to calibrate the peristaltic pump to ensure precise and accurate sample aspiration. It should be performed once a week. Parameters. Consult this menu to view or modify the program setup for each test method using the Cypress Diagnostics application sheets, or to add a program of your choice. The Calibrator values and QC values submenus are used to add calibrators or quality controls and the corresponding target values for each method, which are found in the assay sheets. To change the displayed or printed units of programs, enter the Units submenu. Limits for the normal or reference ranges for every program, sample type, or profile, man, female, and child, can be viewed or edited separately in the Reference Ranges submenu. When the measured result is lower or higher than the specified range, a flag will be displayed and printed. In the Profiles submenu, lab heads can define groups of tests which should be performed together. In the Options menu, you find more information about the software. You can adapt settings such as the date and hour, the information printed on reports, set the age limit of children, and verify the flow cell temperature. To perform an absorbance measurement and check the individual wavelength, a filter test can be launched from this menu. Other settings include the activation of the barcode platform, the host connection, and the veterinary mode. Tap the About menu to find the distributor contact information and the instrument information such as the serial number and the software version. A test counter has been built in, presenting the sum of all tests, including blanks, calibration, QC, and samples, performed on a specific date. The CYANVision analyzer can be used in a multi-user environment with different access levels. The Account Management submenu allows to set up different users with password protection. The information displayed on the screen of the analyzer can be divided into 3 areas. Here we have the header with the date and time, the specific menu or page name, and which user is operating the device. The middle button additionally serves as a shortcut to the main menu. Then we have the main information with some local functions, such as a print button to print the displayed information. At the bottom, you have the return button and the continue or aspiration button. In order to facilitate operation during measurements, the aspiration switch in front of the device can be used to perform the same action as the continue button in the software.